Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So we are continuing with our topic, that is types of cement. So it is the part 3. The first 4 types of cement are already covered in the previous videos. So in this video we are going to see the super sulphate cement and then we will see Portlandozzolana cement. So our fifth type, that is super sulphate cement. So in the super sulphate cement, the composition is in such way that it has composition of blast furnace slag, blast furnace slag along with calcium sulphate, and it is mixed with a OPC clinker. So it is mixed with the OPC clinker. Now the percentage, in the percentage form we will see the proportion. Blast furnace slag is around 80 to 85%. Then calcium sulphate is around 10 to 15%, and OPC we kept almost up to the 5%. So by using this proportion we manufacture the super sulphate cement. Now we will see some properties of the super sulphate cement. So super sulphate cement, it also delivers the less heat of hydration, and in the numerical term, in the exact quantity we can write is that it gives less than 40 calorie per gram. Heat of hydration liberated is less than 40 calorie per gram. Then next property, it is its specific surface area. So specific surface area, it is always greater than 4000 gram per centimeter square. 4000 gram per centimeter square. And finally we will see its uses. So its uses, it is used in the foundation works. It is used in the foundation works. The reason to attack against the sulfate and alkali actions, so it is desirable for the foundation works. So this is all about the super sulphate cement. Our sixth topic or sixth type, it is Portlandozzolana cement. So initially we will see what is meant by pozzolana. So pozzolana is basically a siliceous material. It is the siliceous material. That means it has the main constituent or compound as silica. And when it used alone, it does not have any cementitious property. So this is the important point regarding with pozzolana, that it does not has cementing property. Cementing property. So that's why while manufacturing the pozzolana cement, it is necessary to mix the pozzolana along with the cement to achieve the cementing property. Now this pozzolana is obtained in two forms. First, it is in the natural form. So in the natural form, and other one is artificial form. Artificial form. So in the artificial pozzolana, we can give example as a fly ash. Then we can write silica fume. Then we can give example of blast furnace slag also. Blast furnace slag. So these are the example of artificial pozzolana. And in a natural, we can give example as burned clay. Burned clay. Then diatomaceous earth. And along with that we can use fumicide. Fumicide. So pozzolana having two types, that is natural and artificial. In artificial, fly ash, silica fume, blast furnace slag, and in the natural section we can give example as a burnt clay, diatomaceous earth, and fumicide. Now we will see its compositions. So to manufacture the Portland cement, it is mixed with OPC. So OPC along with pozzolana, and the exact percentage OPC is around 25%, and OPC is around 75%, and remaining 25% it is the content of pozzolana. It's kept in case of Portlandozzolana cement. Okay, now its properties. So its properties, so it gives good workability. Okay, good workability, and as it contains the pozzolana, so it gives less heat of hydration. Okay, less heat of hydration. And now we will see its uses. So its uses, it is generally used in aggressive environments. Okay, aggressive environment. The main reason is to use the Portlandozzolana cement. It has good property to give resistance against the weathering actions. So it is used in the aggressive environments, and also as it liberates the less heat of hydration, so it can be used for the mass concreting purpose. Okay. Mass concreting. So this is all about the Portlandozzolana cement. So this is all for this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video we will continue with the special types of cement. We will see special types of cement. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.